Bum 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 ba-dum bum ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum bum ba-dum. Luke, I am your father. No! I present to you this Vorpal sword, this dark lightsaber. Use it for evil. No, use it for good. Okay. Thanks for being here for our Math 3. We're on week 8. We're nearly there, you guys. Nearly there. Just this and the final exam next week. Whoa. Don't forget to fill out the ready for the final exam so I can give you the instructions there. But to be honest, if you click on the final exam, it gives you the instructions. Click on this link to set up an appointment. You can redo it to email me. You can reset your score if you need to take it again. Just take the pressure off. So you're going to demonstrate your knowledge of law of sines, law of cosines, logarithms, exponentials, the ambiguous case, and a bit of statistics. Stats. Yeah. So, yeah, cool. So there we go. Awesome. What does that say? Crockum? I don't know. Subliminal messages. You got this. Test time. Nice. Okay, so again, right now we're on week 8, so you're nearly there. So I'm going to dive in and just help you get started. This is called Standardizing in Z-Scores. So really good videos at the very beginning if you watch those, but I'm going to try to make my own soon to be able to update these modules because I barely took over. If this is 2021-22, so barely took over from Miss. So we had Alicia Smith. So she had really good statistics lessons with videos, and so I'm going to go ahead and make mine there soon. But you're watching this one, so here we go. So Z-score is basically like the person's score minus the average divided by the standard deviation, and so then it creates a normal curve with an average always of 0, and the center is always going to be the average of 0, and a standard deviation of 1, because 1, 2, 3 standard deviations above the mean. And so we want to figure out the probability of getting any of these numbers. You can use the chart, or I'm going to show you on the graphing calculator. Okay? So let's go ahead and show you how this works. So here's number 1 on the homework assignment. So we want to know what's the probability of, scoring in the top 99th percentile. So basically getting a z-score of less than 2.85. So you go to your chart, less than a number, here it is. And we're going to go to 2.8, 2.80, 2.81. I'm looking up here now, 2.81, 2.82, 2.8, 2.85. There it is. So we're down here at 2.85. And so we get 0.9978 is our answer. 0.9978 is our answer. 0.9978 is our answer. Now here's the way to do it fast with the calculator. So with the calculator, what you do is you go to the second distribution, second var, second distribution, and you go normal CDF, because we're talking about area under the curve and not just a single point, a shaded region. We're going to go from negative infinity, so negative 1e to the 99 is negative infinity. And then we're going to go to the upper bound of just the 2.85. With the mean, of course, of 0, because we're talking about z-score, and a standard deviation of 1. And look, it gives us 0.9978, 139,744 to be more accurate and exact. Woo! Let's try the next one. So what about greater than 2.85? So second enter brings up the last thing you did with our mean of 0, standard deviation of 1. And we're going to put the 2.85 here at the beginning now. So 2.85, this is so much easier than using the charts. So 2.85, comma, and then you're going to do a negative 1, second E, where's E? E, where's E? That's not E. Maybe alpha E. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. We want a small e. Where's the small e? Oh, it might be the double e. Let's try second double e. That's it, second, comma. And then 99. So So 99 just means like infinity. So to be honest, you didn't have to do that. Oh, and it's supposed to be positive. You can just choose a really big number. Like, I don't know, like 5,000 would be fine. Or even 9,000. 999. Just choose a big number. So we're going from 2.82. No. Silly. 2.85. So 2.85 up to 9999. And we get 0.0021. And 0.0021 is the right answer. See how this is kind of working? So greater than negative 1.66. So use our calculator because it makes it super easy. Second enter. And then we're going to go here. We're going to go greater than negative. So we're going to type in a negative 1.66. Second insert another 6 in there. And that's going to give us 0.95, which makes sense because that's 95, 68, 95, 99.7, empirical rule. So that's going to be 0.9515 is our answer there. Beautiful. Ooh, and then if it says between two numbers, then you can just put those in there. Second enter. So if you can see, the calculator is so much easier. So get a graphing calculator. So much easier. So we would go negative 1.66 all the way up to, what are we doing? 2.85. 2.85. And there we go. And so that's going to give us 0.9493. So 0.949, well, there it is. 0.9494, I guess. Oh yeah, because that 5 rounds to 3 up to a 4. So hopefully it's starting to make sense. To show you how to do that one, if you don't have a graphic calculator, you can use your website. Call it a Z-score calculator maybe. Type that up. That'll work for you. But if we're going to use the chart, you'd have to go negative 1.66, right? And figure out that area is. Then figure out the 2 is. And then take the 2 and minus the other one. So we'd have to go like negative 2.8, positive. Oh, we already figured it out. So positive 2.85 is 0.9978. So I would go 0.9978, which was the going all the way up to the 2.85. And then I would minus, right? Then I'd go to minus this one, negative 1.66. So here is negative 1.66. There it is. I'd minus the 0.485. 0.0485. So minus the 0.0485. And so that would give us the 0.9493 or 94. Nice. Using the chart. Calculator's easier. So thanks again for watching this video. And if you missed our Google Meet, then make sure that you email me your favorite, let's do, your favorite figurine growing up. Was it Barbies, G.I. Joes, Star Wars? Was it little cars? Was it something Disney? So I really like G.I. Joe actually, but student, look at this. A student like 3D printed this. Isn't that amazing? Look how it shines in the light. Whoa. Get ready, it's coming up. It's coming up. May 27th, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Darth Vader's back. Thanks for watching. Darth Vader's back. He's back, and there's gonna be a fight with him and Obi-Wan. It's been confirmed. Bye.